Considering buying a spa pool? Wondering whether it's worth adding steps as well? Watch this review to find out. If you're looking at buying a spa or swim spa, you might be wondering whether you need to get steps as well. In this video, I'll cover the ins and outs of spa pool steps, including the key things to consider when buying them. If you're in the market for a spa pool and your spa is not installed either fully or partially in a deck, you should think about steps. We all want to consider safety first, and getting in and out of a spa pool can be challenging for some people, especially those with mobility issues or limited strength. But even if you don't have any physical issues, steps help to lessen the risk of accidents and keep you and your family safe. Plus, it's just more convenient overall. That's why we recommend purchasing steps with your spa pool to make entering and exiting the pool safer and easier. How to get in and out of a hot tub safely. Step in 1 foot at a time. When getting into the pool, start by placing 1 foot on the top step and then carefully lower your other foot into the water. Use the side of the spa pool shell for support and balance as you lower yourself into the pool. Buy handrails or grab rails. We highly recommend that you consider purchasing rails that attach to the steps or a grab rail that attaches to the side of your spa if you feel insecure in your ability to get in and out of the spa pool. You can buy handrails or grab rails separately when you purchase your spa pool. Step out 1 foot at a time. To exit the pool, reverse the process by placing 1 foot on the top step and then lifting your other foot out of the water. Use the side of the spa shell for support as you step out of the pool. Take your time. Don't rush when getting in and out of the spa pool. Take your time to ensure you are steady on your feet before moving to the next step. What are the pros of spa pool steps? Safety. As I just mentioned, the primary benefit of spa pool steps is improved safety. Spa steps are specially designed for wet areas with non-slip surface and handrails to provide added support and stability and reduce the risk of slips and falls. Convenience. Spa pool steps make it more convenient to access your spa pool. They provide a stable platform for stepping in and out of the water, eliminating the need to climb over the edge of the pool or rely on makeshift solutions like stools or chairs, which are obviously unstable and dangerous. Comfort. Steps can also enhance the overall comfort of using your spa pool. They provide a more gradual and controlled entry into the water, allowing you to relax and enjoy the experience without the need to awkwardly maneuver in and out of the pool. What are the cons of spa pool steps? Cost. One of the main considerations when purchasing spa pool steps is the additional cost. Steps can be an added expense on top of the price of the spa pool itself, which may not be feasible for all budgets. However, the cost of steps is typically outweighed by the safety and convenience they provide. Space. Depending on the size and layout of your spa pool area, adding steps may take up valuable space. You'll need to consider the dimensions of the steps and ensure they fit comfortably within your spa pool setup without crowding the area. How much do spa pool steps cost? Spa pool steps range in price from approximately $150 up to $1,000 or more, depending on the material, size, number of tiers, and whether you add handrails or grab rails. Purchase the right steps. When buying a spa pool, be sure to purchase steps that are specifically designed to be used with it. These steps are typically made of durable materials like aluminium, plastic, or wood, and have non-slip surfaces to prevent accidents. Position the steps correctly. Place the steps near the edge of the spa pool where you will be entering and exiting. Make sure they are securely in place so they won't move or slide when you step on them. So that's the pros and cons of spa pool steps, plus some tips on using them to help you decide whether or not to purchase them when you buy your spa. Ultimately, it comes down to budget and space, but if you're able to, we highly recommend buying steps with your spa to help you and your family enter and exit the spa pool safely. For pricing or more information, get in touch with our spa pool specialists or visit your local Spa World showroom.